YouTube channel. In this video I'll be walking you guys through how to create table of content. So you open your Word, you go to new documents, you type in your work. Say if you don't have it, type in. For me, I have some work here that I want to create to create the table of content, the content about. So after that, you can edit small. So you come to references, then you come here, you highlight. This is my title, so I'll highlight it and you add it. This will be one. This one I do not want it, so this also I don't want it. I'll highlight this. Then add, so you go one on them one by one. Adding them. All of your titles, you add them one by one. You add all your titles one by one. So until you've come to the last one. Add all of them. All of them one by one. Like this one. Okay. So now, after adding them, now you come here. The table of content. You select how your table of content should look. I'll say it should look like this. So this is my table of content. This is the title, and these are the chapters that are in the title. So basically that's how you do table of content. After creating the table of content, you can now save your document. Don't forget to save your document. So you save your document and now you're done. Thank you guys for watching. Please stay tuned for my next video and subscribe if you have not. See you guys in my next videos.